Hi, my name is Luis Alejandro Fierro. I am 28 years old. I like reading and playing video games in my free time. I am from Pitalito, Huila, and I am living in Pitalito now. On my last vacation, I work in the farm. Um, Currently, I live with my wife in Pitalito. I don't know have children. Currently, I study agronomy at UNAD University. I am at fourth semester, and the moment I am working in the farm. I am dedicated to the production of coffee. Mm, on the next vacation, we'll probably go to Pasto to the to 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 Laja Sanctuary. Eh, my hobbies are playing soccer. The video must have ingredients: tomato, una one pizza max, mozzarella, pepperoni, grated cheese, and salami, and oregano. Method: step 1: first on the dough with spread a layer of tomato paste with the help of a knife. Step 2: then we place a layer of mozzarella. Step step 3: later we cut 20 slices of pepperoni and uniformly distribute. Mm, Step 4: we add a few peaks of salami by lags. We sprinkle grated cheese and oregano to all taste. Step 5: we bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 and ready. That was about me. Thank you.